Have you ever wanted to live in a luxurious home but thought it was out of your budget? Welcome to Fab by Design. Creating a luxurious look in your home on a budget is possible with a little bit of imagination and ingenuity. It takes careful planning, an eye for detail, and an understanding of luxury elements that won't break the bank. In this video, we'll delve into the key elements that contribute to a high-end design and provide practical tips and tricks for achieving a luxurious look. Here are some ways to get the luxurious look you desire on a budget. Whether you're looking to renovate a single room or refresh your entire home, you're sure to find valuable insights and inspiration. So let's get started. For a luxurious look that won't break the bank, putting money into first-class furniture items is fundamental. Opt for goods of outstanding quality that can stand the test of time, rather than economical and unreliable ones. Also, accessories, curtains, and lighting can truly play a significant role in giving off an aura of luxury. Tassels and curtain tiebacks add the perfect touch of elegant detail to drapery. Here's a pro tip. Investing in solid pieces may cost more initially, but will last as opposed to needing to be replaced rapidly. Statement pieces are a great way to add a touch of sophistication to any room. They can range from expensive art pieces, lighting fixtures, to unique furniture pieces that make a statement, such as a sideboard or credenza, or an oversized headboard. Investing in statement pieces that fit within your budget can help give your space the wow factor. These pieces do not have to be expensive or break the bank. You just need to be smart about where you are investing. Here's a pro tip. It all starts with smart shopping. Do some research to find the best prices on items and always be on the lookout for sales. It's also worth considering shopping for secondhand items, as you can often get some really good quality furniture pieces for a fraction of the price. The fastest way to instantly transform a space is to create an accent wall. Utilize wallpaper that is textured, bold, and draws attention. Use colors that work together to bring the look of luxury into the space. Texture is also an important consideration when creating a luxurious look, and therefore must be incorporated in the design process. Add a luxurious touch to your space by incorporating velvet or silk pillows and sumptuous faux fur throws. These soft and stylish accents will not only add texture and color, but also comfort to your chair or sofa. They will also bring a touch of sophistication and class to the space. Adding these rich textures will bring the luxurious look you are looking for on a budget. There are many different types of accessories that can be used in luxury interior design, depending on the style and the theme of the space. Here are some accessories that can create a beautiful designer-inspired look. Luxury spaces often feature original artwork or limited edition prints by well-known artists. Sculptures can be used to add visual interest and a sense of sophistication to a room. Vases can be used to hold flowers or other decorative objects and can be made of materials such as glass, ceramic, or metal. Luxury candles are often made with high-quality ingredients and can add a warm, welcoming ambiance to a space. Area rugs can be used to add warmth and texture to a room and can be made of materials such as wool, silk, or natural fibers. Mirrors can be used to reflect light and create the illusion of more space, and can be framed with materials such as wood, metal, or glass. Trays can be used to hold and organize small items and can be made of materials such as wood, metal, or glass. Bookends can be used to hold books in place and can be made of materials such as wood, stone, or metal. You can easily transform your space into a high-end and stylish haven with just a bit of time and effort. Start by shopping smart, budgeting wisely, and investing in quality pieces and statement items. Create an eye-catching accent wall, add texture with luxurious accessories, and watch as your space becomes a source of pride and admiration. And the best part, you don't have to break the bank to get the luxurious look you desire. With some smart planning and savvy decorating choices, you can achieve a luxurious look on a budget. If you found value in this video, we welcome you to subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment below and let us know how you plan to create a luxurious look in your home on a budget. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to always live life fabulously.